Hello, I'm Ivana. I'm an automation engineer at Qlayers, and today I would like to share with you how we handle client reporting, how we log and monitor data from our thank you robot, but most importantly, how our clients can monitor the system on their own. So our robot is controlled with a PLC, programmable logic controller, and the data from the PLC is automatically sent to our cloud system. We process and visualize this information, so not only us, but also our clients can look at the key performance indicators, such as paint quality related parameters. And in terms of paint quality, a big advantage is that we can monitor the layer thickness after a whole day of operation of our thank you robot. So to summarize, we have a robot, cloud system and a user, and the user is of course us or the client. The robot is coding, the data is stored on the cloud, and the user receives an automatic report at the end of the day over email. These reports show full transparency of our system capabilities and are also a proof that our robot can meet the performance and quality requirements. And of course, besides the monitoring, we use this data to further optimize our robot's performance. With this analysis, we learn new things every day, and that is our goal at Qlayers, to keep on improving and to give the best experience to our clients.